In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Pinterest app glitch and not working. First, you want to launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Pinterest. Now if you find the install option, go ahead and tap on that and install the app to the latest version. Then tap on open and check if your issue is fixed. If the issue is not fixed, then you want to launch open settings on your device. On settings, you want to scroll down and tap on apps. A list of all the applications will be shown. You simply want to scroll down and find Pinterest from here. Once you have found it, you want to tap on the storage option, tap on clear cache, then head back. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now launch open Pinterest and make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. Then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then you simply want to reinstall Pinterest. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Once this has been uninstalled, you want to open Play Store or App Store and then install this application again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.